Hello, this is the presentation for CodingStructor.ai, a coding instructor platform for students and faculty in the computer science department at UC. My name is Samik Pradhan. I'm a fourth year studying computer science, and I'm doing my master's along with my bachelor's through the Ascent program in the computer science degree with a focus in artificial intelligence.
Hi, I'm the other team member. I am Roshni, and I'm currently a fifth year computer science major with an interest in artificial intelligence and machine learning. For our project, our advisors are Dr. William Hawkins and Dr. Raj Bhatnagar in the CEAS department.
For the user story and design diagrams, the first user profile is a first year college student who is just starting their college career in computer science with a little to no prior experience in programming. Their user story is basically when they are first introduced with programming, they face with a lot of syntax errors, logical errors while first doing their coding assignments. And they wish to get a correct or the most effective solution while solving their problems. Hence, they want an interactive platform that would help them learn coding in an efficient manner so that they can do their assignments completely and also build their strong foundational fundamentals. Another user profile belongs to the computer science professors or faculties in the intro computer science program. They usually find it difficult to have or provide personalized feedback to every student based on the students' attempts to their exercises, and the computer science professor wants to enable active learning to their students. Hence, they want to come up with unique exercises for each class or each student, as most of the questions are already present online and hence doesn't really help the students learning a new concept. The As for the design diagrams, these are the three design diagrams that we have. The first one, D0, is just a CS student using the coding platform and getting an effective code recommendation. For our second, or the D1 diagram, is the professor who publishes the assignment. Student interacts with the assignment on a notebook or a Discord board. The student submits the response and gets an effective code with natural language comments. D2 is just an holistic approach to this, wherein we would be using OpenAI's API, which would be worked on a pre-trained model. The student submits the response to this model, gets an output, and then the student can read the reviews. We also have a D3 model where we extended the project to have the professor generate exercises as well. As you can see, wherever you have this AI triangle is where our platform would do its job.
Our project's core purpose is to support first year computer science students in their programming journey by offering a platform for active learning, instant feedback, and unique coding exercises. This initiative also helps students refer back to their assignments in a clear, natural language format. The ultimate goal is to make coding engaging and help beginners navigate the challenges of programming while promoting independent problem solving and knowledge retention through accessible resources. So, to achieve this, the project fosters an environment where students actively engage with coding problems and instructors can provide tailored assignments, resulting in a more effective and enjoyable learning experience for all involved.
As for the project abstract, this project aims to develop a dynamic platform tailored for first year computer science students. And the central focus is to foster motivation, positive support, and encouragement throughout their coding journey, especially in the initial phases. We are leveraging generative AI, we'll talk more about that later, to provide insightful feedback to overcome coding challenges for beginners and programmers with all background of experiences. Um, as for the professors, we want the professors, or at least we want to help the professors to come up with innovative and unique exercises to enable critical thinking in their students. Um, these exercises will supplement the materials that the professors already provide the students to help them create uh, interactive and customized problems. The Coding Structure AI platform has two broader use cases. The first one will be using our fine-tuned large language model, which creates unique exercises and for uses sample solutions to the professor's questions. The second one is using the students' attempts to Python programs to generate the exercise solutions and provide feedback based on their attempts. Um, this feedback will be generated in natural language and will be a continuous comprehensive response cycle. The correct answers will be then saved along with their natural language explanation for the students to review later. Um, the large language model will be based on the GPT 3.5 Turbo 0613. Targeting first year TS students is our main objective, and helping them in active learning is one of the many works of our project, wherein we will be helping them tackle technical interviews and getting their first job opportunities through this. Our ultimate goal is to enhance their coding experience, promote students' coding proficiency, and help them tackle those inevitable first phases wherein they get stuck with um, their exercises. Unique exercises and providing a continuous feedback driven learning approach with unique challenges will help them in critical thinking.
This project presents significant constraints. It offers students a chance to excel in programming and AI, requiring careful attention to ethics, addressing content bias, and ensuring AI benefits learning. Legal concerns encompass intellectual property, data privacy, and copyright compliance. Security measures, including encryption and audits, are vital for data protection. Nevertheless, this project has the potential to positively impact society by offering a valuable educational tool, increasing programming field retention, and supporting underserved communities through nonprofit organizations, contributing to public service and enriching lives.
To review our project progress so far, we are currently working on fine-tuning the GPT 3.5 model to meet our requirements, and we're trying to find ways to customize this model to match our needs. We are testing sample prompts to get the desired result. In a sense, trying a different sample prompt for the professor um, to get exercise problems, and also getting exercise problems and matching our attempt to generate a feedback response.
For this semester, our primary goal is to develop a functional prototype that can seamlessly take input from professors, generate questions, and analyze student attempts to offer constructive feedback. We are dedicated to achieving this milestone by the end of the term, emphasizing the practical implementation of our project's key features. This accomplishment will be a significant step towards our project's ultimate success and its potential to enhance the educational experience for both students and professors.
As for the division of work, I, Samik Pradhan, would work on developing the model, fine-tuning it, and also getting the responses as needed, creating the feedback loop, and then the natural language representation of the responses. And as for Roshni, she would be working on the UI UX for the student-faculty interface, generating sample input-output prompts for the model, and implementing a quality check or quality assurance for the responses, making sure that they are in line with the project scope, and also creating a notebook structure in Markdown.
So, final thoughts. Our race to the finish line involves creating a functional prototype for CodeInstructor.ai. The prototype will take a professor's natural language prompt describing a topic and generate exercise questions for students. The student interface will allow them to attempt these exercises in Python notebook, receiving real-time feedback in natural language based on their attempts and the sample solution. Correct answers will be saved in the notebook, in both code and natural language, enabling students to review their progress later. This innovative approach aims to enhance the learning experience and facilitate effective communication between instructors as well as students. Thank you.